Let me tell you about this crazy week. Because of the typhoon, we have been stuck at home all week, and I have tried getting really creative with how to keep my kid busy. It's been a week full of sensory bins and pretend play. Nakakapagod siya, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Sa totoo lang, I get so guilty when I give Rafa a lot of screen time. That's why I try talaga to compensate with a lot of hands-on activities. Screen time isn't totally bad in my opinion. I just like to schedule it smart. Most especially at the times that I really need to focus on work. That's when my son has it. I'm trying my best to really push out this vlog. Hopefully, ma-post ko to this week. Good morning! Dito kami sa Ikea today kasi we want to redo our dining area and bibili rin ako ng small things to decorate our home. So, let's see what we can get today. Also, nakalimutan namin yung stroller ni Riva. So, wish us luck. Yeah. Let's go na. Come on.
I can't sit next to small.
Where are you? Ganda ng sink na to, Sam! I love this sink. Pati faucet, pero sobrang mahal.
You don't have a drain also.
Oh. This is my dream room for you, Rafa. This is my dream room for you. Rafa, where are you? Come here. Go to the other side. Where are you, Rafa? I love that. That looks so cozy.
Let's go slow. There's Oprah. We need to stop. Uphill, everyone. It hasn't started yet.
Here are the 3 things that I wish more content creators made. Number 1 is a problem-solving video. Whatever path you have in life, if you are a mom, if you're a teacher, if you are an engineer, if you're a computer analyst, teach us one skill that you love to talk about and love to do. Like if you're a mom, turuan mo kami kung paano magpaputi ng damit. Because truthfully, maraming hindi marunong magpaputi ng damit. Like me. If you're an educator, teach us something that you wish more people outside of your field knew. Because the truth is, we need more value-based content, lalo na if it's about education. Number 2, take us along with you on the journey that you're at now in life. Like if you're trying to lose weight, take us through the process of how you decide to do it. If you're trying to change your fashion style, take us through the flops and the triumphs. Number 3, if you will do a day in the life, give us a unique take of what your life is like. A day in the life of a mom of 2 while balancing a business. A day in the life of a computer analyst who also wants to win in her social life. Because I know that all of us are multidimensional. We are not just one thing in this life. You might not think that your life is interesting, but you'll be surprised that a lot of people are looking for somebody exactly like you. Thursday, it's August 20, and today is such a big day! Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako. And honestly, I have been tossing and turning all night kasi sobrang kinakabahan ako. Why? Because hindi naman ako confident sa sarili ko or sa katawan ko eh. I am not skinny as I used to be. This is my first time posing for photos na hindi ko controlled. And I still don't know my style after becoming a mom. I really like baggy and flowy things. I don't like skin-hugging things, so it's very hard to find clothes for me. I'm also not comfortable na in my own skin. But we'll try to make it work. I'm currently eating breakfast. Sam dropped off Rafa at my mom's house kasi the shoot might take the whole day even though they said it's like only 30 minutes. Mag-allot daw kami ng time for, you know, baka ma-push back or whatever. Yeah, let's just hope for the best. Wala rin kami palang dining table. Alam mo yun? Literally, ito yung kinakainan ko. Wala kami dining set. Our whole house is a mess. Because we decided to sell our dining set and the buffet table and most of our furniture, we are selling it right now. Because we decided to take the leap and finally complete our home the way that we wanted to. We strongly felt na if we will renovate or redecorate or continue to finish our home, this might be the perfect time to do it because we don't want to think about it na, or we don't want any obstructions and more stress if we have another baby already. That's it. I'm gonna watch a vlog. I'm watching Camille Co's vlog right now while having breakfast, and I'll see you in a bit again. Buti mataas yung lagar nyo. Siya nag-train sa'yo.
Hindi, ano na. Siyempre, siguro sa talent siguro. Hindi kasi ako yung tao na ano.
Student si Ma.
Golly, nagmukha nga akong bata.
Yung kasi yung
sabi ko nga sa'yo, para kang mag-a-abroad nun, yung galing sa Tinan.
I'm on the way to get Rafa now from my mom's house. I just finished the shoot with it was such a fun experience. Kagabi sobrang kabado ako. Kung ano-ano pang how to post videos na pinapanood ko on TV. And honestly, I was so anxious the whole night. I barely got any sleep. At the end of the day, no matter what you wear, I think it's just your personality that really makes a difference when it comes to going about any experience na you're so unsure of.
Ano ba sabi niya? Sige, go, you follow Jamie. Straight.
Hi, Babsi!
Kasi nag-doorbell ka, hindi ko naman maiwan sa loob.
I wanted to go home already, but Rafa still wanted to stay and be with his grandma. So I think we're gonna stay here for like a few more minutes bago kami umuwi. And then it's already the weekend. Long weekend. Say hi, Rachi! Baliktad! Eight.
Faster, go! Wee! Ano ba yan? Yung shoes kasi. Oh, can do it. Almost there.
Yeah. Distract. IKEA day! We're gonna get more stuff for our house. Hopefully, lahat in stock, but I doubt it. Lalo na gusto ko talaga yung PS 2026 collection. Stock na.
Buy that for my flavor.
Kata ko na Family din yun.
But I wanna go buy that.
What provoked that? Pina-screen time ko na si Rafa. Like, he's playing games. Hindi talaga kaya mag-shopping dito with the kids sa IKEA. It's too hard. It's too hard.
It's big decisions also. That's why.
Yeah.
So, need to focus lang.
Yeah. So, wala. Eh, ganun talaga eh. You know, hindi naman lagi. Also, if you're looking for a low-stimulating game, the app is called Bokbo. Parang kailangan ko i-blur yung tutut kasi parang bad siya.